how to make a Cash App account under 18. So it's possible. So just start creating normal Cash App account, and then either in the process of creating or after you created but haven't verified yet, you see in settings there is families tab, and then you can just set up like I'm a teen here, or you can invite a teen. So here you need to be at least 13 years old. You can't create a Cash App account under 13 years, so 13 to 17. And that's your teenager sponsored account. You can deposit money, spend it, use a debit card, and exchange money with friends and family. Account sponsor will be able to see activity and manage settings. Invest in stocks of your favorite companies with Bitcoin with as little as $1. So that's how you can do it. And you select I'm a teen, or as a parent, you can then just invite a teen. So to create a kids account, you still need to have one of your parents, I guess parents, maybe guardians, whatever legally it's named, to invite you to kind of verify you. And so that's basically the idea.